9th August 2024, an unfortunate death, in fact a mysterious death and a rape committed with in fact a young doctor at the Arjikam Medical College in Kolkata took the whole society to its conscience and has shaken it completely. Now today the Supreme Court of India took a suo motu cognizance of in fact that particular incident and also in fact the protests that have erupted across the country by the doctors and the people, the medical staff, clearly asking for safety and security at their own workplaces. Remember that this is not only a case of in fact the rape and murder of a young woman doctor, but a question of the safety and security of our healers as a whole. And that is exactly the approach that was adopted by the Supreme Court of India today as it took a suo motu cognizance of this particular matter. How, in fact, going on as far as to say the Chief Justice of India led bench headed by in fact the Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud himself, very clearly pointed out that we cannot wait for another rape and murder to happen in this country to actually bring something out to safeguard our healers. In fact, the Supreme Court today constituted a 10-member national task force to actually devise a mechanism and to suggest recommendation so as to make these workplaces, especially the medical staff, the medical colleges and hospitals, to be a safer place for these doctors and at least these young women to work with. In fact, the topmost group of the country had various questions for in fact the West Bengal police, which was slow in registering a FIR in this particular case. The questions were also asked as to why the former principal of in fact the Arjikam Medical College, where this unfortunate incident took place with that young woman, did not lodge a complaint with in fact the authorities, and why was the complaint taken so late, that too by the kin of the particular victim that died in that unfortunate incident. That is something that is raising a lot of questions. Remember that earlier this month the Calcutta High Court, after this incident, transferred the investigation in this case to the Central Bureau of Investigation, and the CBI is currently monitoring this particular matter. In fact, the CBI too has been asked to file a status report with regards to the investigation by the 22nd of August, when the matter would be heard next. In fact, the Supreme Court has also directed the West Bengal government to actually give out a status report with regards to the preliminary investigation that it had carried out, the time at which that FIR was actually filed, and what had happened on the 9th of August 2024. Why was there a delay for the parents to actually see their child who had already passed away due to that unfortunate and horrific crime that was committed on her, and that is something that the Supreme Court also was conscious about, and hence has asked the state of West Bengal to file a status report by the next date of hearing. So very clearly and categorically at this particular point of time, the Supreme Court leaving no stone unturned to actually bring justice not only to this doctor but also to the whole doctor and medical fraternity as a whole.
सीबीआई को 7 दिन हो चुके हैं इस चीज को प्रूव करते हुए, आज छठा दिन है। आपको अभी तक कोई हिंट मिला है कि उनका प्रूव किस डायरेक्शन में? नहीं मिला।
ওনারা বলেছেন এটা লম্বা প্রসেস, আমাদের সময় দিন।
ওনারা আশা দিয়েছেন, এটাই আমরা বলতে পারি।
ओके, आप लोगों को शक था शुरू से कि कोई इनसाइडर जॉब है?
है, अभी भी है, जितना टाइम
तो आपने जब सीबीआई के लोगों ने आपसे पूछताछ की कि इनसाइडर जॉब, आपने उनको कुछ बताया इनसाइडर जॉब?
ये तो नहीं, बाहर में नहीं बोलेंगे,
बट आपने कुछ तो उनको बताया?
नहीं है बोला, जो लड़की में हमको इन्फॉर्म किया है सब बात बता
ওনারা বলেছেন ওনাদের উপর ভরসা রাখতে আমাদের।
সিবিআই লোকজন বলেছেন এবং আমরা তাদের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি,
সুপ্রিম কোর্টের উপর ভরসা রাখছি, আমরা সবার উপর,
রাজ্যের উপর, সবার উপর ভরসা রাখছি এবং আপনাদের উপরেও। उपरंतु आपका ऊपर भी हम लोग का भरोसा है।
एक और चीज सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने थर्सडे को मतलब डे आफ्टर टुमारो बोला है सीबीआई को भी और वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस को भी कि आप जो है अपना स्टेटस रिपोर्ट दीजिए। तो आपको उम्मीद है कि इस स्टेटस रिपोर्ट में आपको उम्मीद है कि जो आपका एप्रीहेंशन था कि एक से ज्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं, क्या
लेकिन
आपको लगता है?
ये सीबीआई कोशिश कर रहा है,
कोशिश कर रहा है,
कोशिश कर रहा है।
आपको उम्मीद है कि
हाँ, हमें
सच्चाई
उम्मीद है,
होगी?
हाँ, सच्चाई आएगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा।
और संदीप घोष से भी आज लगातार 5 दिन से पूछताछ हो रही है, सीबीआई ने कोई हिंट दिया कि क्या पता
नहीं, हम लोग पूछेगा नहीं इसके बारे में।
डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस को लेके मैम?
नहीं, हमको कुछ नहीं पता। यही सब के बारे में सब देख रहा है, हम कुछ नहीं। अब इंडिया में जो संविधान है उसमें एविडेंस मिटाना भी एक गलती है, इसका एक सजा होता है इसके लिए।
सर आखिरी सवाल है मेरा, आपने ये कहा था कि जिस दिन आपको पता चला इस हादसे के बारे में प्रिंसिपल का बर्ताव आपकी तरफ बहुत ही रूड था, वो
है, उसने हमारे से बात भी नहीं किया। सारे दिन हम उधर 12 बजे से शाम 7 साढ़े 7 बजे तक था, उस टाइम में हमसे कोई बात नहीं।
आप
4 घंटा
आप भी मैम रिक्वेस्ट करती रही कि मतलब बेटी को जाने दो, मैंने खोया है, बट प्रिंसिपल की तरफ से कुछ वो नहीं आया।
ये रॉन्ग नहीं बोलेंगे।
किसी नहीं।
तो आपको भी शक है कि प्रिंसिपल कुछ छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, इसीलिए इस तरह का बर्ताव?
একদম হ্যাঁ, একদম।
कोई अंदाजा क्या छुपा रहे थे?
আমরা বলে দিয়েছি সব, প্রিন্সিপাল মানে অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট সুপার, আমার মেয়ের ভিপি, আমরা সবার নামে বলে দিয়েছি।
We tried speaking to the parents of the victim. What they said was that for 6 long hours they were questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation. And in this questioning, we would want to just go away from the residence. Pradeep, you can take a step back. What the parents are saying is that they revealed all their apprehensions to the CBI officers who questioned them for so long, for about 6 hours. The parents sat with them, shared every doubt that they had. As far as the principal is concerned, Sandeep Ghosh, whatever he told them in terms of his behavior, that was shared. The fact that they suspect that Sandeep Ghosh was involved in destruction of evidence, that was shared as well. The fact that his behavior was extremely insensitive. The mother just told me that even that was shared with the CBI officers, and the family now, the sense that I get is that the family is now slightly more satisfied or hopeful after they have spoken to the CBI officers at large. They repeatedly told me that yes, they have shared some details with us. We can't go public with it. What the Supreme Court has said, we are grateful to the Supreme Court. So overall it seems that the line of investigation that is being taken by the Central Bureau of Investigation is to the satisfaction of the parents, and they're keeping their faith that if the hospital tried to destroy evidence, the principal will be held accountable for that, and the CBI will try and unearth the truth. They're keeping their faith, they're keeping their hope.